Right. What? What is this? Wait, you tell me to solve this? I'm not a genius. Like, how am I supposed to solve this? I'm not going to freaking Harvard. I don't know. How how do I? Okay, fine. All right. What should I? All right. I can solve one side at a time. Okay, I can do this. Um. Okay. Okay. I'm getting somewhere. Oh, but I meant. Okay. Okay. Oh, okay. Just three more, and I'll be good. Um, didn't do anything. Um, it didn't do anything. How do I get these pieces? Um, down. Oh, didn't do anything. Um, oh, okay. Two more pieces, and I'll be good. But that piece is right there. I don't know how to. Oh, okay. Um, uh, oh, okay. But how do I get this piece over here? Um, no. 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 Oh, I don't know. Alright, this is too hard. I don't know how to do this. Can't even solve one side. I give up. Ah. Alright, let's see. Okay. Yep, I see where to make the cross there. There. Okay, I see it. Alright, let's go. Like this. Then make a cross there and go to F12 straight. Okay. Alright, F12 is going pretty well. Alright, one layer solved. Now to OLO. Oh, I know this algorithm. Okay, alright, now it's PLO. There we go. That wasn't too bad. I might have gone a little bit faster on the F12, but it was pretty good. Nice solve.